Hello everyone, my name is Eamon. I'm the Technical Marketing Engineer with HPE Aruba Networking. I'm here with Justin Sergi, the Product Line Manager for IoT. Hello Justin.
Hey Eamon, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
So we know that IoT is not new, but I see growth and greater complexity, especially with the diversity of sheer volume of devices. So tell me what's changed and what is HPE Aruba Networking helping with?
Yeah, absolutely. And I would agree with you. The sheer volume of devices is really posing a challenge, both in terms of visibility, but also control for our customers. So the first thing I'd mention is that we've really worked hard to help our customers more successfully and securely onboard IoT devices, and these are IP-based IoT devices, onto the network. And in doing so, we've applied our AI-based classification so that we can both securely connect and protect these devices, and then ultimately detect any anomalous behavior. And we call that client insights. The second thing I would say is we're very focused as well on those non-IP based IoT devices, which tend to be Bluetooth, Zigbee, and other USB based devices. With that, we really enhanced our ability to run containers on our access points, and we've had an explosion in the growth of IoT integrations that we support through our App Store. In fact, we're up to 35 today. So talking a little bit about the containerization, that's really focused on helping our customers bring edge processing to the access point so they can run their IoT integrations directly on the AP. And these are use cases that were typically only available with a VM in the past. The other thing I want to really underscore is that that explosion in IoT integrations has a lot to do with the developer portal, where our partners can actually develop their own integrations, submit them for review, and then ultimately we can have them out and available on the public app store so that our customers can begin getting that shortened time to value. So some great stuff going on there.
So can you tell us some of the amazing use cases for IoT?
It's hard to pick, but there's two that really have my attention recently. So number one is water monitoring and leak detection. And this is actually, some of our partners are using Bluetooth-based sensors that actually attach to water inlet pipes. And essentially through detecting temperature variation through that pipe over time, they can detect when water is actually flowing, as well as when there is some sort of trickle happening where the water is actually indicating a leak. And this is critical because we all know that water is an increasingly precious resource, and anything that we can do to help our customers conserve and better use that valuable resource is certainly a win in my book. The second thing I wanted to underscore kind of brings in the use of artificial intelligence. So what we've seen partners do is actually marry the IoT sensor data with AI so that they can actually allow users to then ask natural questions, right? And I think we've all had the experience where we're having to go to a portal, having to hunt down a particular device. Now it's just asking where a particular device is, they can get that straight away. Secondly, the more value-added part is recommendations on how to better improve the usage of those assets and even recommend process improvements that help really gain value for our customers.
So finally, can you give us a sneak peek of where HPE Aruba Networking is going with IoT in the future?
Absolutely. I'll have to speak a little generally. I'd love to share the details, but not quite yet. So three things I want to underscore. Number one is we're continuing to accelerate the containerization on our access points. That will continue to unlock new use cases that are differentiated amongst our competitive set. The second thing I want to say is that we're actually improving our location pipeline, really simplifying how our customers access location from a variety of devices. And then finally, what we're really doing is trying to underscore how new IoT protocols that are not supported today, and in fact are new to the marketplace, can actually be supported through HPE Aruba Networking access points. So I'm very excited for the future.
That is exciting. Thank you so much, Justin. Thank you for listening.